It's official now. Huawei has finally locked in the date. After months of leaks, rumors, and even some accidental sneak peeks, the Huawei Pura 80 series is launching on June 11th at 2:30 p.m. Beijing time. Mark your calendars. The announcement dropped this morning on Huawei's Weibo page with a teaser poster that instantly caught everyone's attention. And no surprise, the highlight? That beast of a camera module. Now take a look. The teaser shows off a giant gold-accented camera bump with two bold reflective lenses. And here's where it gets interesting. Both appear to be dual-periscope telephoto sensors, possibly the most advanced camera system Huawei has ever put into a smartphone. And judging by the styling, this is either the Pura 80 Ultra or the Pro Plus model. The tagline on the poster? With foresight, beyond what is seen. Classic Huawei, vague but bold. And alongside the Pura 80 series, Huawei says they'll also be unveiling all-scenario smart products. That could mean wearables, Harmony OS 5.0 integrations, and more. Speaking of Harmony OS, it's official. The Pura 80 series will launch with Harmony OS 5.0 out of the box, bringing smoother performance, better ecosystem integration, and possibly a few surprises that haven't leaked yet. Now let's talk about that accidental reveal we saw last week. Remember Huawei Consumer Business CEO? He got caught flashing what looked like the new Pura 80 flagship during the May Xtro S800 car launch. That image exploded on Weibo, and it gave us our first unofficial look at the device. And guess what? We now have even clearer renders of what's believed to be the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. And man, this phone is straight up futuristic. Just look at this back panel. Geometric patterns etched into what looks like a matte or leather-like finish, with the triangular X-Mage camera island dominating the top left corner. That triangular shape is signature Pura, but this time it's bigger, cleaner, and more aggressive. You've got three lenses housed in that triangular setup, a massive main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and of course dual-periscope telephoto shooters right at the center. There's also a sleek vertical LED flash to the side, and the way the gold rim frames the whole module? Yeah, Huawei wants this camera to be seen. Turn it around and you get that pill-shaped punch hole display, slim bezels, and a bold, minimal clock UI. It just feels premium. So to sum it up, we've got the date, we've seen the teaser, and we've now seen the renders. Huawei is going all in on imaging, design, and Harmony OS this year. And if these leaks are even halfway accurate, the Pura 80 Ultra might just be one of the most powerful camera phones of 2025. Let me know what you think. Does this look like a true Ultra flagship to you? Or are you waiting to see what surprises Huawei has saved for June 11th? Share your thoughts in the comments down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.